traders, we have the impulse rebalance indicator. This indicator will plot these price expansion moves when it retraces back down to the original balance area and we get a signal. Okay, so it will track an expansion and rebalance. And generally we're looking at an opportunity when we see, for example, low to high pull back into Fibonacci 61.8, 50 to 61.8 zone. Again, this one here, high to low, the pull back into the 50 to 61.8 zone. Notice the imbalance here, this gap. Okay, so this is an impulsive move, hence the name impulse rebalance, and price pulls back through and rebalances. The imbalance as in one-sided trading, this is bullish imbalance. This here is a balance area, it's a balance of buy and sell. This is a balance area, okay? So we get this gap here as it moves with speed and displaces, and then we get price moving back into it, rebalancing, and then we get the alert when price starts to move away from this balance area, right, giving us an opportunity to get involved. Okay, we use this at certain times, and I'll be doing regular mentorship videos covering how we use the indicator. So if you head over to my website, you can trial this for 14 days, absolutely free, along with all the other indicators and our signals, mentorship. While we are shifting gears and redoing our indicators and strategy to meet volatile market conditions, this is heavily discounted. It's a promo offer. Do the 14-day trial and you will lock that in forever for as long as you stay with it. Shout me sushi once a month and you have access to everything I have to offer from all my years of being a trader. Okay guys, so with that, look forward to seeing you in VIP. Have a great day.